Good morning. Just a quick one again today. We have got some parts from Nine Finger Drift. So he's on Facebook. He's got quite a lot of structural pieces that you can weld into E46 and E36s, and maybe he does more. I think he's maybe BMW only, but yeah, link will be in the description to his Facebook. But yeah, let's have a look at what he's gave us. So this is for, basically you would kind of do this for a true coil setup, but because I've fitted the roll cage and I'm tying into the back sides, I'm going to use his kit. So looking at the back of the car, this would be the right hand side one, and at the back of the car again, this would be the left hand side. So again, this one here would go here, and that one there would go here. So the difference is he's extended it here a little bit compared to the other side, just for the way, you know, it comes down there compared to that one's round. So put that on here like that. It goes something like that, and then you would have your plate that goes in there. So I just need to cut a little bit of the roll cage out there and then slide it in and weld it all in. So yeah, this is a plate that will slide down the side in between the roll cage and the top of the strut. Okay, that's the first one in this corner. I've ended up grinding down the welds. It's so hot. Grinding down all the welds on the top, you know, like here, because you can see if you weld in there, you're not going to have any room to put the nut on, but you could just preferably not weld around here if you wanted to, but I do. I just put it hot enough that, you know, it will melt into this, and then I just grind this top off until it's flat with that. And yeah, should be fine like that. Just this side to do. There's a bit of a gap here, so it's going to be hard to fill that, but happy enough, happy enough. Keep going. Okay, there you have it. That is the rear strut top braces from Nine Finger Drift. Thank you very much, and hopefully we can get this all painted soon. That's just why I didn't put the struts back in. I've just stopped the video here because I need to paint it now. So see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, hit the diff and bring that shit goes all the way. When I'm flat to the man with the party hat, some headed for the tin. Well, not that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe drip all night, then the fuel lit ran out. Overload.